The imposition of U.S. tariffs has predominantly focused on vital agricultural sectors, creating significant disruptions for American farmers who are already grappling with unpredictable weather and volatile market prices. Dairy farmers specifically contend with severe financial strains attributed to Canadian retaliatory tariffs that render American dairy products pricier, consequently triggering a decline in exports. The economic fallout from the trade war extends well beyond the agricultural realm, adversely affecting entire rural communities and driving up prices for consumers as businesses transfer their increased costs. Amidst this backdrop, food prices have escalated sharply due to tariffs on agricultural products, rendering certain items less accessible and significantly raising grocery bills. Dairy products have experienced the most pronounced price increases. Alongside food, household goods and construction materials have also seen price hikes, resulting in elevated expenses for homeownership and renovations. This situation poses challenges for the average American striving to maintain their residences. Trade disruptions have reverberated through energy markets, particularly affecting gasoline prices, which impacts consumers across diverse regions. This volatility compounds the financial strain on households. The retaliatory tariffs have primarily targeted significant American exports such as aluminum, steel, and agricultural goods, impacting politically crucial states within the U.S. economy. In light of these challenges, Canada has sought to diminish its dependence on American markets by reinforcing trade agreements with global partners, including the European Union and the Trans-Pacific Partnership. Consequently, the trade war has underscored the fragility of multilateral agreements like the USMCA, raising alarms about the future of North American trade relations and the prospects for foreign investment. Within the United States, the trade war has fueled intense debates over protectionist policies, adversely affecting both businesses and consumers. Lawmakers face mounting pressure from constituents who rely heavily on trade with Canada. In Canada, public sentiment has coalesced against perceived economic aggression from the U.S., spurring policy initiatives aimed at bolstering domestic industries. Political leaders from various parties have adopted a resolute stance. Moreover, the escalating trade tensions have adversely impacted cross-border travel, leading to declines in tourism and consumer spending. Both Canadian and American tourists are reevaluating their travel plans amid economic hostility. Canada has long been a crucial supplier of oil, natural gas, and electricity to the U.S., but rising trade tensions jeopardize this long-standing partnership. The energy trade relationship has remained strong for decades. Any disruptions in energy supply could result in higher costs for American consumers, particularly during periods of peak demand. Regulatory challenges and political disputes further contribute to this uncertainty. Trade dynamics also significantly impact manufacturing, with a heavy reliance on Canadian raw materials such as lumber, aluminum, and critical minerals. Disruptions in supply chains could drive up production costs across diverse industries. The seamless flow of talent is vital for technological advancement, with Canada attracting skilled professionals, especially in technology sectors, due to its favorable immigration policies. Additionally, Canada's alignment with international partners may restrict U.S. access to innovations, particularly in fields like AI and quantum computing, thereby affecting America's competitive edge in technology. Finally, healthcare stands to be critically affected as Canada supplies essential pharmaceutical products and medical devices to the U.S., with any disruptions likely leading to increased costs and potential shortages.